Prices for concrete have exploded over the past few years. Prices for steel have exploded over the past few years. Prices for glass have exploded over the past few years. I've seen budgets crater before a single wall goes up, and that's not just painful, it's unsustainable. So, here's the flip. The future gets cheaper when it gets greener. Let's start with the elephant in the room, concrete. Traditional concrete is a carbon giant and a cost wildcard. But carbon-negative concrete? That's concrete that literally soaks up CO2 as it cures. Some mixes inject captured carbon into the cement, locking it in mineral form. Stronger performance, lower cement content, lower cost. Others use alternative binders like slag, fly ash, calcined clays that slash energy and emissions. You're not just cutting a footprint, you're stabilizing your price risk because you depend less on high heat, high fuel processes. And yes, pilot projects are already hitting code strength and dropping embodied carbon by 30 to 70%. Now heating and cooling. We spend a fortune moving heat in and out of buildings. Phase change materials, PCMs, do it passively. Think of wall boards, plasters, ceiling tiles infused with waxy microcapsules. They melt around room temperature, absorbing heat in the day. Then solidify at night, releasing it back, flattening the peaks that kill your energy bill. No compressor, no fan, fewer complaints. Retrofit them in drop ceilings or drywall and you shave HVAC size, maintenance and peak demand charges. That's money back on day one. Windows next. Dynamic glazing and smart windows are like sunglasses with a brain. They tint when the sun hits hard, stay clear when you need light, and some even shift their infrared behavior to control heat without darkening your view. Tie them to a simple sensor, outside light, inside temperature, and you cut glare, eye strain, and cooling load. Daylight goes up, lighting energy goes down, and occupants are happier. Higher productivity in offices, better test scores in schools. Here's how I stack the deck on a project. Swap in a validated carbon mineralized concrete mix for slabs and precast. Use PCMs in ceilings and interior partitions to cap peaks before sizing HVAC. Specify dynamic glazing on east facades, dynamic glazing on west facades. Pair with basic daylight controls. That trio hits embodied carbon, operational energy, and comfort without premium drama. Worried about upfront costs? Carbon-negative concrete often prices at parity when you factor cement reduction. PCMs pay back through smaller mechanicals and peak demand cuts. Dynamic glazing has dropped in price and utility incentives can erase the delta. Total cost of ownership wins the argument. So yeah, the old materials are expensive and dirty. The future? It's cheaper, quieter, brighter, and it cleans the air while it cures. If you're planning a build, ask for carbon-negative mixes, PCM-ready assemblies, and dynamic glazing, because it is.